Hello and welcome to the Luxury Hybrid channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of the pieces that I picked up from last month's Coach 30% off March sale. The first thing I want to share with you today though is my scent of the day, and that is Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. I love the opening notes of Orange Blossom. Oh, that's what gets me. Definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be posting parts 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Who knows? I did such a major Coach haul. I also purchased around that time from Coach Outlet. I haven't unboxed a lot of the things. I think this is the only thing that I've used. But rather than push it all into one haul, I'm going to give these videos to you in small doses. This piece has only been used one time. Comes in this dust bag. What I got was, this is called the bonded leather jacket. One thing that I love about this jacket is the detail of classic turnstile lock that you see on the Willis bag. And when you open it, it has this gorgeous interior of the horse and carriage print. I actually really like this print. I have something else to show you, but as I said, I'm doing this in multiple parts. The pockets are nice and deep, and you can put a lot of things in here. The cuffs have detailing of buttons, and so does the waistband of the coat. And in the back of the coat, there are actual adjustments to make it tighter. This actually just fits me. I'm going to insert a split screen to show you exactly which sizes are left on the website. I will also leave a link down below for this jacket. And it's great for the spring because it can be worn under beautiful blouses or a t-shirt or any sort of thin knit top. Interestingly enough, the price that's on the website has actually been marked up an additional $50. I did not pay full price for this jacket. I'm so happy about that, but it was substantially marked down already by the time the sales were happening. And then this qualified for an additional 30% off. So that made me very happy. I've been doing keto since the last week of February, so I was able to pick this jacket up in a size 8. I just went on the website to check for you, and I only see size 4 and 8 available. So if you're interested in this jacket, I'm telling you, the quality, the construction of this is absolutely extraordinary. I'm so impressed with this leather jacket. The minute I saw this detailing, I knew that I had to have it. It's not overstated and it's not understated either.